Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great question from one of our owners down in Alpharetta, Georgia. He is on a job and apparently the homeowner is getting the insurance company involved and they want to know, does insurance cover crawl space encapsulation? Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about crawl space encapsulation, mold removal, and indoor air quality, so we hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, and also follow us on Facebook. Okay, so I recently got a call from Robert in Alpharetta, Georgia. If you're not familiar with that, that's a suburb of Atlanta, Georgia, the largest city in the South. Robert went out to a job and the homeowner out there, apparently they had a flooded crawl space. Now, a couple of different things about insurance work and crawl spaces. If you have a pipe burst and you start hearing it spraying water and you call your insurance company, normally that is a valid insurance claim. What's not a valid insurance claim, according to most of the insurance companies I have spoken to, is foundation water, flooding, high humidity, things like that. Normally insurance claims are pipe bursts, a sudden pipe burst. I had this one agent describe it as a whoosh. Can't be a slow leak, can't be a drip, drip, drip that's been going on for 2 years. It has to be instantaneous, quick. You discover it, it's been less than a couple of weeks, they'll normally take care of it. Now that being said, depending on your insurance company, whether there's mold or not from the leak also determines whether they'll cover it, because according to most adjusters, mold means that it's been going on for a long period of time, even though the microbiologists I speak to tell me that mold can grow in 24 to 48 hours. Those are some of the things you've got to discuss. The other thing you've got to think about is they will only pay to put the crawl space back the way it originally was. So if you have fiberglass insulation up in your joist, or you don't have insulation, you got some loose lay black vapor barrier down on the ground, it's not insulated, whatever, they're only going to return it to the original condition. So that being said, do you think they're going to pay for encapsulation? Chances are no. You're going to have to foot the bill for the other part. But the good news is maybe you can get some money towards the encapsulation from the insurance company, but that is a conversation for you and your adjuster. So I'm Michael Church. Hope that helps you out. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.